Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reduce Discord high CPU usage step by step, so your PC runs smoother in 2026. First, restart Discord properly. Close the app completely from the system tray, then reopen it. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause unusually high CPU usage. If the problem continues, open Task Manager and end all Discord processes before launching it again. Next, disable hardware acceleration. Open Discord user settings, scroll to advanced, and toggle hardware acceleration off. Restart Discord after changing this setting. For many users, this single step significantly reduces CPU load. Now check your voice and video settings, turn off unnecessary features like crisp noise suppression if you don't need it. While helpful, advanced audio processing can increase CPU usage, especially on lower-end systems. Another important step is disabling the in-game overlay. Go to Game Overlay in Discord settings and turn it off. Overlays constantly run in the background and can consume extra system resources. You should also reduce the number of active servers and animated elements. Too many animated emojis, GIFs, or auto-playing media can increase CPU usage. Close unused channels and keep your workspace clean. If the issue still exists, update Discord and your graphics drivers, then restart your PC. Outdated software often leads to performance problems. After applying these fixes, monitor your CPU usage again in Task Manager. In most cases, Discord will run much more efficiently. If this guide helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more PC optimization tips in 2026. See you in the next one.